Hello lovelies, this is the lock stitch. It will make a really lovely decorative border and it's very easy to do. First of all, you're going to need your heat erasable fabric pen and draw 2 parallel lines on your fabric. We are going to do a series of straight vertical stitches. Coming up on the bottom line, going in on the top line, or vice versa, doesn't really matter. I'm doing this stitch quite large for demonstration purposes, but you would do it a lot smaller, I think. It would look nicer smaller. So we're going to fill this line with these straight vertical stitches all the way along. And then I'm going to change to another thread colour. You might also want to change to a blunter tipped needle, but it's entirely up to you. We are coming up through the fabric on the bottom line, right next to that very first vertical stitch. We'll bring our needle all the way through, and then we are going to pass our needle underneath that first straight stitch and go over, and then under from the right on that second straight vertical stitch. You are always going from right to left or left to right, but always in the same direction, and you are always going under that next stitch. So this is going to be brought over. Don't pull too hard. Now we're going to go under the stitch from right to left. Pull it gently. You might need to tweak it a little because it does sort of bring those in a bit, make them look a bit like brackets, but you don't want that. Remember, we're always going in from the right and under, and then we're going to do that all the way along. And you'll finish it by going down through the fabric after that last vertical stitch. That's your lock stitch. Happy stitching.